Are you a writer looking for the best freelance websites to kickstart your career or find high-paying gigs? Well, you are in the right place. Today, we'll explore the 10 best freelance websites for writers, helping you connect with potential clients, showcase your skills, and make money from your talent. So without wasting further time, let's get started. The first website in this list is Fiverr.com. Fiverr is one of the most popular freelancing platforms known for its simplicity and user-friendly interface. Writers can create gigs showcasing their services from blog writing to creative storytelling. The commission charges ranges from 5% to 20% depending on your earning. Fiverr is a great choice if you want to build a portfolio and attract global clients. The next website in this list is flexjobs.com. FlexJobs specializes in remote and freelance work. Unlike other platforms, it charges a subscription fee instead of taking a cut from your earnings. You will find curated job postings for writers, ensuring quality opportunities without the hassle of scam. It's perfect for writers seeking consistent and legitimate work. The next website is upwork.com. Upwork is a highly competitive platform but offers an incredible range of writing opportunities. It charges a commission of 5% to 20% depending on your earnings with each client. The site allows you to bid on projects and build lasting relationships with clients. If you are confident in pitching your services, Upwork can be very rewarding. The next website is peopleperhour.com. People Per Hour is ideal for writers who prefer short-term or one-off projects. The platform offers flexibility and the commission rates ranges from 0% to 30% based on your earnings. It's a great choice for writers who want to experiment with different types of gigs before committing to long-term clients. The next website is guru.com. Guru provides a professional space for writers to showcase their portfolios and connect with the client. It charges a commission fee of around 4.95% to 8.95%, making it slightly more affordable than other platforms. Guru also emphasizes transparency, allowing freelancers and clients to communicate effectively. The next website is textbroker.com. Textbroker is specially designed for writers, connecting them with clients who need high quality content. The platform takes a commission of 10% to 20%. It's a good option for writers who prefer working on predefined topics and enjoy crafting engaging articles. The next website in this list is ProBlogger Job Board. The ProBlogger Job Board is a heaven for professional writers. It doesn't charge a commission, which means you keep 100% of your earnings. The platform is popular among bloggers, content writers looking for the serious writing gigs. The next website is freelancer.com. Freelancer.com is one of the largest platforms offering opportunities for writers of all niches. The commission rate is relatively low, ranging from 0% to 3%. If you're just starting, this platform is a great way to gain experience and find diverse writing projects. The next website is freelancewriting.com. Freelancewriting.com is a straightforward job board for writers. It doesn't charge any commission fee and curates opportunities from across the web. The platform is ideal for writers who want to browse, apply for gigs without creating profiles or bidding. The next website is crowdcontent.com. Crowdcontent connects writers with business that need high quality content. With a commission charge of 15% to 30%, it might seem high, but platform offers consistent work and timely payout. It's perfect for writers who value reliability. So this is our list of top 10 freelance websites for writers. Each platform has its unique benefits, so pick the one that suits your style and goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights. Let us know in the comments which platform you are excited to try or share your experience with us. See you in the next video.